Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have learnt about rational numbers, addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Let us have a small recap. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Addition and subtraction of rational numbers. If the denominators are same, just simplify the numerators and write the denominator as such. If the denominators are different, take LCM and simplify the numerators. In today's class, we are going to learn about multiplication of rational numbers. Let us learn the rules. Write the rational numbers in their standard form. Multiply the numerators by using the rules for multiplication of integers. That is, when two integers are in same sign, assign positive sign to the product. When two integers are in different signs, assign negative sign to the product. Rule number 3. Multiply the denominators by using the rules for multiplication of integers. So here also, when the integers are in same sign, assign positive sign to the product. When the integers are in different signs, assign negative sign to the product. The product will be answer of step 2 divided by answer of step 3. The last step, write the product in the standard form. Let us solve these examples. First one, minus 2 by 5 into 6 by minus 11. So the standard form of this one is, always we have to bring the negative sign to the numerator. So here, minus 6 by 11. Come to rule number 2. Multiply the numerators by using the rules for multiplication of integers. Here, these two numbers are in same sign. So assign positive sign to the product. 2 into 6 is 12. Divided by 5 into 11 is 55. So we cannot simplify this one further. So the answer is 12 divided by 55. Let's move to the second one. 3 divided by 8 into minus 12 by 15. 3 divided by 8 into minus 12 divided by 15. These two numbers are in different signs, so assign negative sign to the product. 3 into 12 is 36 divided by 8 into 15 is 120. Now these two numbers are divisible by 2 tables and 3 tables. We will get the answer as minus 3 by 10. Is it clear, children? Yes. Example 20. Find the product of the following. Minus 7 by 14 into 4 by minus 8. So we can simplify this one by here itself. This is another method of solving this one. We can cancel this 2 by 7 tables. 1 7 is 7 and 2 7s are 14. Here 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So the rational numbers are minus 1 by 2 into, now we can bring this minus sign to the numerator, minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 2s are 4. So the answer is plus 1 by 4. The second one, 16 divided by minus 20 into 3 by minus 9. Now you can cancel this one by 4 tables. 4 fours are 16 and 5 fours are 20. Here 1 3 is 3 and 3 threes are 9. Now we can bring this negative sign to the numerator. Minus 4 by 5 into minus 1 by 3, which is equal to minus into minus is plus, 1 4 is 4 and 5 threes are 15. So the answer is 4 by 15. Is it clear, children? Yes. So let us have a quick tip. The reciprocal of a negative number is also negative. The reciprocal of the number minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 4 by 3. The reciprocal of minus 6 by 13 is minus 13 by 6. The reciprocal of minus 4 is, this is minus 4 by 1. So you have to write it as minus 1 by 4. Division of rational numbers. Let us learn the rules. Rule number 1. Write both the rational numbers in their standard form. Rule number 2. Find the reciprocal of the divisor. Rule number 3. Use the rules of multiplication of rational numbers and multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Rule number 4. Write the quotient in the standard form. Example, minus 6 by 7 divided by 3 by minus 14. Write the first rational number as such, minus 6 by 7. Change this division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second one, which is minus 14 by 3. Now we can cancel this one. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Here 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, which is equal to minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4 divided by 1 into 1 is 1, which is equal to plus 4. Example 22. Divide the following. Minus 6 by 7 by 2 by minus 3. Minus 6 by 7 divided by minus 2 by 3. So write the first rational number as such. Change this division symbol into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second one, which is minus 3 by 2. Now we can simplify this one. 1 2 is 2 and 3 2s are 6. Minus into minus is plus, 3 3s are 9 divided by 1 7 is 7. So the answer is plus 9 by 7. Second one, 5 by minus 11 divided by minus 17 by 22. So write the first one as such, minus 5 by 11. Change this division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second one, which is minus 22 divided by 17. Here we can cancel this one by 11 tables. 1 11 is 11 and 2 11s are 22. Minus into minus is plus, 5 2s are 10 divided by 1 17 is 17, which is equal to 10 by 17. Is it clear, children? Yes. Example 23. By which number should we multiply 6 by minus 7 to get 1 by 2? Let us take a simple example. By which number should we multiply 2 to get 6? We know that the answer is 3. How do we get it? by dividing 6 by 2. Similarly, in this question, the required number will be 1 by 2 divided by 6 by minus 7, which is equal to, write the first rational number as such, change this division symbol into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second one, which is minus 7 by 6. I can simplify this one. Here we cannot cancel any numbers. Plus into minus is minus, 1 7 is 7 divided by 2 6 are 12. So the answer is minus 7 by 12. Here we have to write it as thus. The required number is minus 7 by 12. Is it clear, children? Yes. Example 24. The product of three rational numbers is minus 4 by 5. If two of the numbers are 1 by minus 2 and 3 by 5, find the third number. So how do we solve this one? Let the third number be x. Be x. So the product of the three numbers, that is 1 by minus 2, we can write this one as minus 1 by 2, into the second one is 3 by 5, into the third one we have taken that as x is equal to, the product is given as minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. You can simplify this one. Minus into plus is minus, 1 3 is 3 divided by 2 5s are 10 into x is equal to minus 4 by 5. So from this x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Here this minus 3 by 10 is in multiplication. When it goes to that side it becomes division, minus 3 by 10. So how do we solve this one? Write the first rational number as such, change the division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second one, which is minus 10 divided by 3. We can cancel this one. 1 5 is 5 and 2 5s are 10, which is equal to, minus into minus is plus, 4 2s are 8 divided by 1 3 is 3. Thus the third number is 8 by 3. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us have a small recap of what we have learnt in today's class. Multiplication of rational numbers. Write the rational numbers in their standard form. Multiply the numerators and denominators by using the rules for multiplication of integers. And write the product in the standard form. Division of rational numbers. Write the first rational number as such. Change the division symbol into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the second one. Then write the answer in the standard form. Plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus is plus. When the two numbers are in same sign, the product will be positive. when two numbers are in different signs, the product will be negative. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.